This is my Yamaha 209 soundbar that comes with a subwoofer, and today I would like to talk about what I don't like about this subwoofer. So if you want to see a full review, you can just click on this part to see the whole review of it, but today I'm just going to focus on what I don't like about this. So number one, what I don't like is this remote control having this TV here. This is actually to the source, yeah. You have this HDMI, TV, Bluetooth, net, but this TV is actually pretty similar to this as well. It's actually the same, as you can see, but this is actually sound mode. And there's one time I accidentally click this. I thought this is sound mode, yeah. So I click on this and I don't get any sound at all. Then eventually I found out that, oh, I should have clicked on this instead. Yeah, the sound mode. This TV is actually an optical port. So I think you should just change it to OPT or optical instead of putting TV, because you can actually have a source coming in from anywhere else, yeah, from the optical. For people who don't really know what is optical port, maybe that's why they change it to TV. But instead of, simplify things, it actually got me confused because these two buttons is having the same name. Well, the second thing that I don't really like is that this Alexa, yeah, you see it's blinking. The moment I say Alexa, it actually hears me from the microphone. But the thing is, in Malaysia, there's no services here, so it's pretty useless. It's supposed to be a smart speaker, but the thing is now it's not. Well, the third thing I don't really like is actually the app itself. So as you can see, this is a soundbar app. Once I click on it, it opens this way, but I was hoping it to be more simple. The front page should have all the buttons available for me to choose. Instead of that, it comes here. And if you click here, it doesn't goes to the settings that you want. Yeah, you have to click on this particular button. See that? That only you have to go into sound settings to change what you need to change. Yeah, subwoofers, to have surround on. All these can be actually changed in the remote as well, but it's more convenient for you to see it from here. Yeah, because you don't have to see the indicators here. Using remote, you have to go and make sure that it's on and on off. But this is more clear. But the thing is, it takes a few steps for me to get there. And sometimes if you accidentally click here, then it doesn't goes to your sound settings. Yeah, it goes to for you to do something else. Connect to your Spotify, Tidal, and some other things. Yeah, and these are the sources. Yeah, so if you need to go back to that setting page, is a bit messy here. Because you see, you keep on clicking here and there, but you do not know how to get back to that. Okay, I'm now confused. Okay, you have to get back there. You can click here. Okay, and here, then you get back to your sound settings. So that's something which I don't really like. Yeah, it's a bit too many steps. Yeah, a bit confusing as well. Well, the fourth thing about this soundbar which I don't like is it's actually a lower spec 2019 product. Although this year is already 2022. I think the reason why I'm saying this because it's also priced, together with other products which is already updated to 2022. Yeah, for example, LG or Samsung, those products is already updated with Dolby Atmos, and I don't know, 4K resolutions, pass-through and what up. Yeah, all those are there. All the specs are there. Just that, yeah, somehow Yamaha don't keep producing new soundbars yearly. They don't update all the new text into this soundbar. Well, another thing that I don't really like is that there is some slightly, a delay, not in terms of the sound, but the thing is when I do this, yeah, it buffers, yes, but the thing is it starts to, slow slowly, you know, pass through the videos to it. Maybe this doesn't show you, this is just Blu-ray, so I'm gonna change it to the 4K. Okay, I have a 4K video here. You know, the thing is when you do this, okay, then you see the video actually freeze for a while. Yeah, but it's not that bad. It just freeze for a while because the the source is actually from here to this, then only it goes here. So somehow, you know, this soundbar is like delaying the picture from coming out, but after that, you know, 2-3 seconds, it's actually back to normal. It's not a big deal, but I think it's yeah, it could be better. And lastly, you know, this sometimes, you know, out of 20 times I'm actually opening this, there are some times which I have a problem with intermittent, you know, sounds coming out from here. It's like you know, sounds coming out for 5 seconds, then it starts to pause for half a second, then it goes on for another 5 seconds. I can't reproduce the problem because it comes only intermittently. Yeah, sometimes it have this problem. Then the only way to solve it is to off the speaker and on it back. That it works fine. That's all the things I don't like about this. In overall, I still like this soundbar because of the sound of it. Yeah, for the same price, if I were to buy an LG or Samsung, I could get better specs, more speakers on the soundbar. But the thing is, I still like the sound of this. And if you can bear with all the things that I mentioned earlier, then just get this. Yeah, it sounds really good. All right, thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.